Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to talk about the topic introduce yourself. Let's get started. My name is Điệp. My full name is Nguyễn Thị Điệp. I was born in Phúc Thọ district. My hometown is very peaceful. I'm 20 years old. I'm a student. I study at Hanoi Metropolitan University. Specialization in hotel management. I'm 154 centimeters tall and weighs 46 kilograms. My phone number is 098136965. I have a small family with 4 members. They are my father, my mother, my younger brother, and me. My favorite hobbies are listening to teen and romantic music while reading their lyrics. I like to meet and talk with my best friends at the weekend. My father is 46 years old. He is a farmer. My mother is 41 years old. She is a farmer too. She is 150 centimeters tall and weighs 50 kilograms. Her phone number is 098265987. My younger brother is 19 years old. He is a freshman at Hanoi University of Business and Technology. He is 175 centimeters tall and weighs 62 kilograms. On summer days, my friends and I often go to the north near our house and organize picnics to fly kites, fish and cook together. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic family. Let's get started. In my view, family is the most important. My family is very small. My family has 4 members, including my father, my mother, my younger brother, and me. My father is the farmer. He is the breadwinner. He makes money to support my family. He is hard working from early morning to late afternoon. He is very tall and very funny. My mother is 41 years old. She is the farmer too. She is short, white skin, and a great woman. For me, my mom is the most beautiful woman, and my dad is the most wonderful man. My younger brother the is a student. He likes playing games and reading stories. On summer vacation, my family uh, my family likes to go to the beach together. My younger on weekends, my family usually relax at home. My younger brother and I like to go to the amusement park on weekends. Uh, I like spending time with my family. My family is very happy. We love each other and I love my family so much. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic job. Let's get started. I have a small family. My father is a farmer. He is the breadwinner. He makes money to support of my family. My mother is the farmer too, and housewife. I see my mother is always busy, tired every day because my mom works hard at home for our family, take care of my family's daily life, cooks delicious food every day, keeping the house clean. My younger brother is a student. My family likes to go to the park, the beach together. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic your city. Let's get started. As you know, I live in a village located on the outskirts of Hanoi City in the north of Vietnam. My hometown has many beautiful scenes such as Imam Brak, rice fields, and it also has a very beautiful river near my house. The weather in my hometown is very pleasant with four basic seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. But the summer in my hometown is not too hot because there are many trees to help reduce the heat. Since I live in a village, the population is not too crowded and the traffic is always convenient and not congested. The people in my hometown are extremely habitable, and cheerful. My hobby is cycling through the rice fields and watching the sunset. On summer, on summer days, my friends and I often go to the north near our house and organize picnics to fly kites, fish, and cook together. I can say that my hometown really extremely peaceful. In addition, my hometown has many festivals, especially after 10, where you will be able to play interesting games and enjoy delicious and delicate food. I love this place because it holds many personal memories that I will always cherish. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic hobbies. Let's get started. I have many hobbies such as playing games, reading stories, and learning English. My first hobbies or hobby is playing games. As you know, the game is very popular. I often play game in my free time. It not only relieves stress, but also helps me make more friends. My second hobbies is reading stories. I usually read stories at night. I read stories to reduce stress in study and life. My third hobby is learning English. In the past, I'm not good at English, but now I realize English is very important because English is an international language. With English, I can communicate with foreigners and use it in the study. So I learn English day by day. I have a small family. My father likes my father likes listening to music. When he listens to music, he feels very comfortable. Music helps him forget the pressure. My my mother likes cooking, cooks delicious food every day. My brother likes playing um, likes playing soccer. His favorite sport is soccer. Playing soccer helps him train my fitness and team spirit. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic day of the week. Let's get started. The weekend is an arranged that everyone is looking forward to. A tiring working week always needs a weekend to relax. On weekends, I will wake up later than usual. The feeling of getting enough sleep helps me feel well. After waking up, I will listen to music. Music is on and I will do the homework. I clean the bedroom and fold my clothes to tidy. I have a couple of flowers on the balcony. I love the feeling of free time standing, watering the flowers, seeing the flowers bloom. I'm very excited. In order not to be boring, I will invite a few friends over to my room. We will eat fruit while watching and chatting. From time to time, I also spend time on weekends going out to shop and eat. I love my job very much, but I also love myself and always want to give myself some time off. So I especially appreciate the weekend. My friends and I often go to the nuns near our house and organize picnics to fly kites, fish, and cook together. My family likes to go to the beach together on weekends. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic month. Let's get started. As you know, my name is Gil. My birthday is on March 21st. My father is 46 years old. His birthday is on November 9th. My mother is 41 years old. Her birthday is on September 23rd, and my brother is 19 years old. His birthday is on August 9th. A year has 12 months, such as January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, October, November, and December. I have a summer vacation school from June to August. In the first month of my vacation, I stay at home, relax, and meet with my best friends. In August, my family likes to go to the beach together. I like spending time with my family. I go back to school on September 9th. There are many important holidays in the year, such as Valentine's Day, on February 14th. Hong Kong's death anniversary on March 10th. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic date. Let's get started. My birthday is on March 21st. I like to have a big party for my birthday. All of my friends and family comes to my house for dinner and we eat cake. I have a small family with 4 members. My father is 46 years old. His birthday is on November 9th. My mother is 41 years old. Her birthday is on September 23rd. They like to watch movies and listen to music. My younger brother is 19 years old. His birthday is on August 9th. He likes to have a small birthday party. He likes playing games and eating cake with my friends on his birthday. There are many important holidays in the year, such as Lunar New Year, which always takes place in January or February of the lunar year. My vacation is from January to 16th to February 5th. Hong Kong's death anniversary takes place on March 10th. International Workers' Day takes place on May 1st. My vacation is from January 29th to May 8th. National Day takes place on September 2nd. Halloween happens on October 31st. Christmas takes place on December 25th. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic month. Topic time. Let's get started. The weekend is an array that everyone is looking for work to. A tiring always working week always leads a weekend to relax. On weekends, I will wake up later than usual. I wake up at 8 in the morning. The feeling of getting enough sleep helps me feel well. After waking up, I will listen to music until 8:30. Music is on and I will do homework. I clean the bedroom and fold my clothes to tidy. Then I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. I have a couple of flowers on the balcony. At 8 o'clock, I love the feeling of uh, free time standing watering the flowers, seeing the flowers bloom. I'm very excited. At 10, I will cook rice for my family. Then I will take a nap until 3 p.m. At 3:45, I cycled through the ripe fields and watching the sunset. At 6 in the evening, I make dinner for my family. I take a shower at 8 p.m. Then I go to school. I go to sleep at midnight. Monday morning, I go to school from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. I have a small family with 4 members. My father is hard working from early morning to late afternoon. My dad comes home from work at 5 p.m. My mom and I clean the house and cook at 6 p.m. My brother comes home from school at 5 p.m. In the evening, my family will have dinner together at 7 p.m. I like spending time with my family. My family is always clean. My family is very happy. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic daily routine. Let's get started. Every morning, I will exercise for 1 hour, depending on the weather and mood. I will choose different exercises. On sunny days, I will go jogging with my friends. On rainy days, I will do warm-up exercise at home. Exercising in the morning helps me feel refreshed and energized. In addition to the exercise routine, I also have a habit of drinking water. I always drink 2 liters of water a day. Because drinking water is a habit, I quickly feel thirsty and want to drink water. I also found the filter's water very tasty. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic home. Let's get started. My family and I live in a small house. There are three bedrooms, a living room, and a one bathroom, one kitchen. In my house, my parents live in the biggest bedroom. There is a big bed, a big dresser in their room. They like to listen to music. My younger brother and I live in the smaller bedroom. Our room has two beds, two chairs, and one dresser. I like reading book and listening to music. My brother likes to read stories and play games. In the living room, we like to talk and watch TV together. The kitchen is small. It has a ridiculous and a washer and dinner table and a lot of food. My mother and I live cooking together in the kitchen. There is a garden outside of the kitchen. My mom likes to grow vegetable and fruits. My house is always clean. I have a dog and a cat at home. In addition, my family has a few ducks and chickens for eggs. We love spending time in the living room together. Next, today I'm going to talk about the topic describe people. Let's get started. My name is Deep. I have dark eyes. My hair is non-straight and black. I have a small nose, mouth, and ears. I'm a short and thin. I like to meet and talk with my best friends at the weekend. I'm very funny. I like laughing with my friends and family. I like singing. Moreover, I like to exercise. Every morning, I will exercise for 1 hour. Um, my I have a small family with 4 members. My father is very tall and thin. Uh, thin. He has dark brown eyes. He has big nose and small mouth, ears. His hair